Fresh details emerging as news reports hint at 4 Mumbai youth joining Iraq terror groups. The new details are actually diluting the missing defense by the family. Now, sources tell us that all 4 flew together on a flight at 5 a.m. in the morning to Baghdad on 25th May 2014 for a pilgrimage to Baghdad. That's what we've picked up at this point of time in terms of details that have come. And after they finished their pilgrimage, they actually went missing from there just a few days before Mosul really fell to ISIS. We've got Megha who's joining us on the phone line. Megha, you've picked up some more details in terms of how this really panned out for those 4 individuals. Tell us.
Well, the information that we have received from the authorities that have been looking into this case for a long time now, they do confirm to us, and these updates are of course fresh because information to this effect had not come out till this time. What we've been told is that all these four men that the story has come out of who allegedly, and it is believed that could have joined the ISIS in Iraq and be fighting along with them. Those 4 people, the first information that we've got is that all 4 of them have known each other very closely, and according to the information that the investigative agency here have, all of them actually took the same flight. They were a part of the same group. They flew on an Etihad flight on 25th of May this year, 5 a.m. morning flight from Mumbai to Baghdad. And there, of course, they had, the reason, of course, they had gone was on a pilgrimage, and they were a part of a 40-odd people group that had gone to Baghdad. But what happened after that is pretty shocking. The tour operator actually returned, he informed his agency here back in Mumbai that 4 of them had gone missing. They had gone missing in the sense that they left without informing the group or the tour operator from the hotel that they were staying in Baghdad. And they left on 31st of May early in the morning, took a taxi to Mosul, and after that there has been absolutely no information of where these men have gone. So yes, there is a belief that they could have joined the ISIS, but there is no confirmation of the same. Also, the existence of the letter where one out of the 4 had written to the parents saying how he wanted, on his own accord, wanted to join or rather go for a pilgrimage to the Middle East. That letter is in the possession of the ATS, and of course the ATS is keeping a very, very close watch at this moment, confirming that they have information only of 4 men who could have, now probably be a part of the ISIS, but again, no confirmation of the same, whether they actually are or not.
Right, Megha. All right, thanks for bringing us that update. In fact, we also spoke with Mr. R.R. Patil here on what he has to say on this issue.
कल्याण के 4 लड़के हैं जो मिसिंग बताए जा रहे हैं और बताया जा रहा है कि वो लोग इराक चले गए हैं। इस बारे में होम डिपार्टमेंट को क्या जानकारी है?
इस बारे में जो लड़के मिसिंग है उसके पिता ने शिकायत की है कि वो मिसिंग है। कंप्लेंट दर्ज है और पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है। इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद ही इसका पता चल जाएगा। ये इन्फॉर्मेशन हमने सेंट्रल एजेंसी को भी शेयर की है। वो एजेंसी भी इस बारे में इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेगी।